everyone, I'd like to talk to you about Guest Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi just in general. This is one of those big things whenever we do assessments for new clients, prospects. This issue happens 9 out of 10 times, right? Most of the time, Guest Wi-Fi is not password protected, which is not necessarily that big of a deal depending on the building environment you're in. But what's scary is Guest Wi-Fi has access to your corporate network. And what does that mean? It means that anybody that comes into your building, plugs their laptop, connects to your wireless network, all of a sudden now they have access to your corporate network, right? Whether it's files, applications, printers. What's the dangerous part, right? They actually, they could have access to unauthorized data because that's not been properly set up or segmented. More importantly, if they have any kind of malware or their device is infected by them connecting to your network, well, guess what? That's going to get spread, right? It's the same thing as a kid comes, from school that's being sick. All of a sudden, the entire household is sick as well. So please get an assessment. Get somebody to come out and assess the situation. Make sure your Guest Wi-Fi is properly segmented. If your primary or corporate network, there's no access from that. That's critical, right? If you need help with that, please reach out to us. You can find our contact information below. I'm Igor Pinchevsky, CEO and founder of itfirm.com. Have a great day and stay safe.